viewers, it's me, Mr. Fix-It, coming at you with another Home Depot Siege review. So, they shipped me a doorbell. This is Hampton Bay doorbell. Okay? These things are actually pretty cool. This is your easiest response to a bad doorbell to replace. All it is battery operated, which by the way, the batteries do not come with it, so you're going to need two AA batteries. Okay? AA batteries are in the back here. Just in case you don't know what a AA battery is, which a lot of people don't, that's the medium sized one. Okay? So you got two of them. Got to make sure you stick it in there, right? Replace the cat. Okay? And I got to find the button. So it comes with this and the button. So, I mean, basically, you can put these things anywhere you want. At a shop, if you're renting a room somewhere, you can put it outside on the front door so people can ring it and you would know inside your room. You basically put this anywhere you want. So that's a good thing about batteries. You do have to replace them probably every 6 months or every year, depending on how many guests you get at your house. But it comes with instructions. It comes with the hanging hardware, so that's always nice. It looks pretty cool. Like I said, you can use it, you know, in your room, put it in any room where you spend most of your time. I'm going to ring. It has two chimes. There's a reset button in the back, so you can reset the chime to whatever chime you want. This is the chime I have it on. I'll reset it. There's another one. So there's basically three tones. Got that short one, which is nice. Sounds like an old doorbell. So, again, it's a battery operated wireless doorbell. Okay, so if you're having trouble with your doorbell, this is the easiest and quickest way to solve that problem. It's made by Hampton Bay, two AA batteries. Okay, you set this, install this by your door, of course, and this you install in the room that you occupy the most. Thanks for coming, guys. Leave your comments, share the video, like and subscribe. I'm out.